Hello, I am Michael Scott, and today I will be reviewing my PowerPoint of recorded data for my sustainability project in the fall of 2020. I hypothesized by completing this project and recycling such materials as aluminum cans, cardboard boxes, and plastic water bottles, I would be able to slightly reduce my carbon footprint over the course of a few weeks. This project was chosen due to my inability to drive and circumstances surrounding the semester of 2020, as it was just a project I believed I could feasibly complete, as well as it being an interesting topic in the community of, does recycling make an impact? Well, with such things as aluminum, plastics, and cardboard, yes, it can. The energy input of recycling is lower than that of creating new materials, whereas with glass it is the opposite, and for thus reasons we do not recycle glass. The weeks of my project here were the originally planned and then the actual time frame that I had to extend due to some unforeseen circumstances. My pre-project carbon footprint is calculated at 34 metric tons. This is data from our first lab of the semester and is what I am using as my baseline pre-project carbon footprint. All pictures moving forward were taken by me during the project time frame. During the first 7 or 8 days, I did not really heavily recycle as to show a baseline data for my pre-project carbon footprint, and to just emphasize 19 years of a bad habit. Starting from days 9 through 21, I was focused on recycling, mainly what I had around me in the highest numbers, such as aluminum bottles, plastic bottles, and cardboard, and as well as aluminum cans for soup and such. Here's a good one. Pizza boxes, we do not recycle these due to the grease in the pizza soaking into the cardboard, which can then clog up the recycling machine if it is recycled. Additionally, with certain containers such as milk jugs and anything that has a food or liquid residue in it other than water, you need to rinse that out before you put it in the recycling bin, otherwise you will contaminate everything in the bin as well as potentially stalling the recycling machine. Now again, I used my initial lab 1 carbon footprint as my pre-project carbon footprint, and then used the calculator listed below to calculate the metric tons reduced during this project, thus making my carbon footprint 30.11 metric tons. Now, reflecting on this project, as you'll notice from the pictures and the data, I believe I was mainly recycling aluminum soda bottles, plastic water bottles, and cardboard boxes, as this is just what I had in abundance with me. And it just sort of showed me how much I had been throwing in the trash that really shouldn't be in the trash. Here's some of the data from the calculator. It shows we were using one 50-gallon tote. It was picked up once a week. And this calculator not only shows the specific metric tons from the item you've selected, such as beverages, plastics, metals, but also the equivalent number of cars taken off the road. I would just like to finish up this by saying I believe to have shown through this project and other things I've done this semester a demonstration of knowledge and reasoning in practices revolving the three main R's of recycling, reducing, and reuse, as well as my ability to change those habits in myself and hopefully do the same for some other people who have viewed this data. Thank you and have a nice day.